Here's something I discovered that I'd like to share with you. Did you know Bitcoin was originally created to be a digital version of money that people could use around the world? To that end, it has failed miserably. The highly volatile price of Bitcoin is caused by the way it is used. Almost all those who own it today are speculative traders who are chasing the price movement, buying and selling for profit. In doing so, they create a highly unstable currency that people and businesses in the mainstream just do not trust. For a cryptocurrency to reach its full potential as a mainstream currency used by millions, if not billions of people every day, it needs to be more usable, which means being able to do everything with cryptocurrency that you can do today with regular money. Real usability will be when the value of a cryptocurrency is dictated by how many users it has, how many businesses accept it, and how many transactions take place every day. How good would it be if more people worldwide could benefit from such a currency? Did you know that there are around 2 billion people in the world that do not have a bank account? Having access to money with less restrictions and limitations is only a dream for these people. A strong cryptocurrency is not created by one person who invests millions into it, but by a lot of people who buy, hold, and use it. The bigger the community grows, the more valuable the currency gets. What if such an innovative cryptocurrency already exists? Creating an impact on our world whilst championing the protection and preservation of our planet. By using a totally different technology, one that requires no mining, so no massive energy drain as is the case with Bitcoin. That has fast, instant global transactions with minimal transaction fees, an easy to integrate payment gateway for merchants with point of sale and invoicing platforms already done. Can you see how this is the way of the future? We all thought that cash would be around forever, but look at our world today, an almost cashless digital society. If this piques your interest in any way, please contact me, as I would love to have a chat with you. Call me +61 422 948 163.